Welcome to the Nexstar Crane Preparation Guide. In this video, we'll cover essential steps for daily inspection of the equipment and proper setup of a work site. Before starting, it's essential to follow safety protocols. Ensure all personnel are clear of the crane's operating path. Never operate the crane with a load suspended while the vehicle is in motion. Only trained operators should handle the crane. Familiarize yourself with all safety manuals, procedures, and regulations. Every day should start with a thorough inspection of the truck, outriggers, and crane, following the manufacturer's checklist. Check tire pressure to ensure overall stability. Inspect fluid levels, including hydraulic oil, as recommended by the manufacturer. Look for hydraulic leaks on the crane, outriggers, and power systems like the pump or PTO. Warning: never use your hands to inspect pressurized hydraulic systems. High-pressure fluid can cause serious injury. Inspect the boom hinge pin, cylinder pins, structure, welds, and fasteners for cracks or corrosion. Inspect the wire rope and traveling block for proper pins, cotter keys, and hook latch functionality. Before traveling, ensure the vehicle is secure and ready for transport. Ensure all doors are closed and contents are secured in the truck bed. Confirm outriggers are fully raised and retracted. When towing a trailer, ensure the trailer weight matches the hitch rating and use safety chains. Warning: never exceed the gross vehicle weight. Use a scale to confirm weight distribution if unsure. Check all lights for functionality. Arriving at the job site requires careful setup to ensure safety and compliance. Instructions. Number 1. Engage the parking brake according to the manufacturer's procedure. Number 2. Chalk the wheels and set up safety signs, flags, and cones to establish a working area. Proper worksite setup ensures safe crane operation and minimizes hazards. Use personal protective equipment and follow all company and site procedures. Conduct a job briefing with workers to discuss hazards, precautions, and work procedures. OSHA requirements: conduct job briefings before starting each job. Inspect for site hazards such as overhead wires, loose soil, and inclines. Position the truck on the flattest surface possible. Tip: the Nexstar Crane Management System is designed to operate on surfaces with up to a 15% grade or 7.5 degree incline. Review the load chart and estimate load weight before lifting. The PTO enables hydraulic operations for the crane and outriggers. Engage the PTO with the switch. Manual transmissions require depressing the clutch. Some automatics require depressing the brake pedal. Confirm the PTO indicator light is illuminated. Warning: do not move the truck while the PTO is engaged. Proper outrigger deployment ensures stability during crane operation. Manual outriggers. Slide the outriggers out and crank the handle to lower the stabilizers until they firmly contact the ground. Hydraulic outriggers. Move the selector lever to the outrigger position. Operate the respective levers to fully extend the outriggers. Lower the stabilizers until they firmly contact the ground and slightly raise the truck while maintaining tire contact. Tip: always use outrigger pads on unstable ground. Ensure the tires remain in contact with the ground to prevent unintentional movement. To start, let's power on the remote control and perform a quick safety test. Ensure Nexstar transmitter remote emergency stop button is disengaged. Turn on the remote control by pulling out and moving up the power toggle switch. If any buttons are active, the system will display an error and power will shut off. Clear the buttons, then restart. After a successful self-test, remote control enters normal operating mode. Verify the display screen shows no error messages. Before each operation, or when a new operator takes over, a pre-operation test is necessary. Move the outrigger valve bank selector to crane position, test all warning devices for functionality, ensure all control functions respond correctly, activate the remote control's emergency e-stop function to confirm it's working. Document the test results as part of standard safety checks. Want to learn the details of the Nexstar remote controller? Check out our video on Nexstar crane operation. After setup, conduct final checks before operation. Recheck all safety equipment and confirm the work area is secure. Position the truck for a straight lift whenever possible. Warning: never side load or drag the crane. This may cause damage to the crane. Auto Crane recommends that you read and follow the owner's manual and decals that are supplied with your equipment and obtain additional training that is required by government agencies from an authorized or certified trainer. For further information or for assistance, please contact your local Auto Crane dealer by finding your nearest dealer at autocrane.com or contact the Auto Crane customer service by calling 800-777-2760.